and you standing nearby with your hand on the table.
Great, can I have something to eat?
Sure thing. The dishes on the table, like that plate and cup, are likely to go into the drying rack next. You're welcome. If there's anything else you need help with, just let me know.
A revolutionary collaboration between OpenAI and Figure AI is pushing the boundaries of AI to new heights. Introducing Jarvis, a humanoid robot powered by ChatGPT technology developed by these innovative teams. Spectators are awestruck by the unparalleled intricacy and capabilities of this cutting-edge fusion. Real-time interaction. Figure 1 seamlessly interacts with users in real time, responding instantly to spoken commands or gestures. This instantaneous processing ensures smooth communication without any noticeable latency, creating an intuitive and natural user experience akin to conversing with a human. Such capabilities make Figure 1 invaluable across various scenarios, including aiding with daily tasks, collaborating with industrial workers, and providing assistance in healthcare settings. By minimizing latency and enabling fluid communication, Figure 1 emerges as a versatile and efficient tool for human-robot interaction.
And you standing nearby with your hand on the table.
Great, can I have something to eat?
Sure thing. I think I did pretty well. The apple found its new owner.
Independent conduct. Unlike traditional robots, Figure 1 relies on sensors and neural networks to perceive its surroundings, assess situations, and make decisions autonomously. Exhibiting intellect and adaptability, Figure 1 navigates through unforeseen obstacles and dynamically adjusts to changing environments. Its autonomy enables a wide range of functionalities, from object manipulation to interpersonal communication, with continuous learning enhancing decision-making capabilities over time. Embracing autonomy marks a shift from rigid programming to flexible real-world systems, empowering Figure 1 to excel in diverse contexts. Multimodal interpretation. Figure 1 boasts multimodal comprehension, allowing it to interpret various sensory inputs effectively. Integrating ChatGPT technology, cameras, and microphones, it can sense its environment and engage in conversation seamlessly. Leveraging visual cues, Figure 1 identifies objects and establishes spatial relationships, while also processing audio inputs to comprehend spoken words and dialogues. Through ChatGPT integration, Figure 1 delivers concise and relevant responses to user inquiries, facilitating efficient communication and task completion. By harnessing multiple modalities, Figure 1 enhances its versatility and usability in myriad applications.
Based on the scene right now, where do you think the dishes in front of you go next?
The dishes on the table, like that plate and cup, are likely to go into the drying rack next.
Reasoning with common sense. Figure 1 possesses the remarkable ability to engage in common sense reasoning, allowing it to make informed judgments and predictions based on contextual understanding. Unlike conventional AI systems that rely solely on patterns or instructions, Figure 1 harnesses the power of neural networks to infer implicit information and exercise prudent reasoning. By employing contextual decision-making and advanced reasoning, Figure 1 can anticipate actions such as placing dirty dishes in a drying rack for washing. This integration of common sense reasoning elevates Figure 1's sophistication beyond traditional AI systems, paving the way for more perceptive and intelligent human-robot interactions in various scenarios. Fine motor ability. Equipped with human-like fine motor skills, Figure 1 demonstrates unparalleled precision in manipulating objects. Thanks to its advanced actuators and sensors, the robot can effortlessly lift, grip, and operate items with finesse. Whether delicately handling an apple or arranging food with precision, Figure 1 executes complex tasks with regulated motions, adjusting its grasp and orientation as needed. These fine motor abilities are crucial for versatility across a spectrum of occupations, from healthcare to household chores, enhancing Figure 1's adaptability and facilitating seamless collaboration with others in executing precise tasks.
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table. You're welcome. If there's anything else you need help with, just let me know.
Integration of ChatGPT. Figure 1 seamlessly converses with humans in natural language, facilitated by the integration of ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is a powerful language model capable of generating well-reasoned and contextually appropriate responses to text-based inputs. Leveraging ChatGPT integration, Figure 1 interprets and provides relevant answers in real time to spoken commands or inquiries, enhancing its ability to communicate effectively with users. This integration not only enables easier interaction with Figure 1 for tasks, questions, or directions, but also empowers the robot to participate in meaningful discussions and adapt to diverse conversational contexts. By leveraging natural language processing or NLP to its fullest extent, Figure 1 becomes more adaptable and user-friendly, fostering natural and cooperation human-robot interactions. Bridging the gap. In today's rapidly advancing technological landscape, the convergence of robotics and artificial intelligence has led to the development of sophisticated systems capable of perceiving and understanding their surroundings with remarkable acuity. One such example is Figure 1, a robot equipped with cutting-edge sensors and image processing capabilities that enable it to interact with its environment much like a human would. Coupled with its natural language processing abilities, Figure 1 not only perceives the world around it but also communicates with humans in a remarkably natural and intuitive manner, facilitating seamless collaboration and interaction. At the heart of Figure 1's capabilities lies in its ability to perceive and understand its surroundings. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced image processing algorithms, the robot is able to capture visual information from its environment with remarkable clarity and precision. These visual inputs are then processed and analyzed in real time, allowing Figure 1 to discern objects, navigate complex environments, and even recognize faces and gestures. However, mere perception of the environment is not enough to enable meaningful interactions with humans. Figure 1 goes a step further by leveraging its understanding of visual information to interpret context and make informed decisions. Much like the human brain, the robot's cognitive processes allow it to infer meaning from its surroundings, identifying objects, understanding spatial relationships, and even predicting potential outcomes based on observed patterns. This level of understanding is particularly evident in Figure 1's ability to navigate dynamic environments and adapt to changing circumstances. Whether it's maneuvering through crowded spaces or responding to unexpected obstacles, the robot demonstrates a remarkable degree of situational awareness, thanks to its sophisticated perception and cognition capabilities. However, Figure 1's abilities extend beyond mere environmental perception. What truly sets it apart is its ability to communicate with humans in a natural and intuitive manner. Through its integration with ChatGPT, an advanced natural language processing model, the robot is able to engage in fluent and coherent conversations with human counterparts, mirroring the fluidity of human interaction. When conversing with humans, Figure 1 not only understands the literal meaning of words, but also grasps the underlying context and intent behind them. This nuanced understanding enables the robot to generate contextually appropriate responses, fostering meaningful dialogue and effective communication. For example, if a human user asks Figure 1 to fetch a particular object, the robot not only comprehends the specific request, but also considers factors such as the location of the object, potential obstacles in the environment, and any relevant contextual information. This holistic understanding allows Figure 1 to formulate a response that not only acknowledges the user's request, but also provides relevant information or feedback as needed. Moreover, Figure 1's ability to interpret verbal commands and questions enables seamless collaboration between humans and robots in various settings. Whether it's assisting individuals with daily tasks, providing guidance in complex workflows, or even collaborating with workers in industrial environments, the robot's natural language processing capabilities enhance its usability and accessibility across diverse contexts. By communicating naturally with humans, Figure 1 fosters a sense of trust and cooperation, paving the way for more intuitive human-robot interaction. Users are more likely to feel comfortable and confident interacting with a robot that can understand and respond to their needs in a manner reminiscent of human conversation. Adapt to new situations. Through experience and feedback, Figure 1 can continuously improve its behavior and decision-making, learning to adapt to new circumstances. With the use of reinforcement learning algorithms in a neural network, the robot is able to learn new information, modify its approach, and eventually become more proficient. When faced with unfamiliar activities or surroundings, Figure 1 makes use of its learning abilities to examine patterns, find the best answers, and adjust its behavior accordingly. Through this process of adaptive learning, the robot can change and adapt to its environment, increasing its adaptability and efficiency in a variety of situations. Figure 1 represents a paradigm leap in robotics by adopting a learning-based approach, going beyond static programming to create dynamic, adaptive systems that are capable of constant innovation and development.
Great. Can you explain why you did what you just did while you pick up this trash?
Final thought. Figure 1 and OpenAI collaborated to create Figure 1, a humanoid robot integrated with ChatGPT. This invention represents a significant advancement in AI and robotics. It also shows how smoothly autonomous devices could communicate with people. A new era in robotics is heralded by Figure 1's technological prowess, autonomous reasoning, and task execution capabilities. As this partnership moves forward so quickly, it becomes clear how much potential there is for AI-driven robotics. Figure 1's opening emphasizes the revolutionary impact of advancements in AI. It also paves the way for a time in the future when human-machine contact reaches previously unheard of levels of intelligence and integration. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.